Hello students, today I am going to explain Roman numerals. This topic is continuation of knowing our numbers. Roman numbers basically we write I denotes as 1, V denote as 5, X denote as 10, L denote as 50, C denote as 100, D denote as 500, M denote as 1000. This is actually a fixed value. These values are followed by some rules. Actually, double I, it could be written as 2. 3 could be written as triple I. And 4 could be written as IV. Next one 5 up to 9. I will explain the rules. The first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Double I means 1. So we have to use 2 times. So we have to add 1 plus 1, that is 2. Next one is double X. For 1x we have 10 value. So XX means 10 plus 10, 20. The next one is triple X. 1x value is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. The next rule, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. We have to use any symbol up to 3 times only. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Triple X means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Next VII means V value is 5. Next 1 value 1. Again we have to take I value 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. The next one DXXV. D value 500 plus X value 10. Again 1x10. Then we have to add for V value 5. So 525. Okay. The next third rule, if a symbol of small value is written to the right of a greater value, its value get added. If a symbol of small value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added. For example, VI. What is the value of V? That is 5. I means 1. We have to use the smaller number right side of the greater value. So we just add the values 5 plus 1, 6. Next one XII. Again we use the same smaller value, we have to use right side of the greater value. So 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. The last example LXV. What is the value of L? That is 50. Plus X value 10, V value 5. So the answer is 65. The next rule, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted. Right side we right means, that is we just add the value. Left side we use means we have to subtract the value. Here what is the value of V? That is 5. We use the number I left side of V only. So we have to subtract 1. That is the answer is 4. The next one IX. What is the value of X? That is 10. Left side we use the number I. So we have to subtract 1. So 10 minus 1, the answer is 9. Next XL. What is the value of L? That is 50. Our 10 value is actually X value is 10. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. The next one C value actually 100. We use the smaller value left side of the greater value, no, so we have to subtract the value. 100 minus 10, that is 90. Next one, a symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. This is also an important rule. Next we are going to discuss some problems. Write in Roman numerals. One Hindu Arabic number is given, we have to change into Roman numerals. Okay. How can we write this? 125. Actually 100 value is C. Okay. Next 20 means we have to write X, 5 means V. How can we write this? Actually C value is 100. We have to use XX, no. So that is 10 plus 10. Finally V value is 5. So this is actually CXXV. The next one 201. How can we write? Actually 100 plus 100 plus 1. This is the procedure. 100 plus 100 plus 1. What is the value of 100? That is C. Again we use 100, no. So next one C. We just add with 100 with 1. So that is we have to use I. C plus I. That is 201. Next one, write in Hindu Arabic numerals. Here Roman numerals given, we have to change into Hindu Arabic numerals. How can we write? XC 8. Okay, what is the value of X actually? 10. What is the value of C? Greater value is actually here C only. The value C value is actually 100. Okay. Right side greater value we have, left side only smaller value. So we just subtract the value 100 minus 10. Next we use plus 8. Actually 100 minus 10, 90. 90 plus 8, 98. So the answer is 98. The next one. C, D, X, X, I, X. Okay. What is the greater value here? D value. That is 500. Okay. Left side of a greater value we used C. What is the C value? That is 100. So subtract the value. 500 minus 100. Next we have to add, right side means we just add the value. X plus Ix. So how can we write? X means 10. Again one X means 10. So the next one is actually 9. So 500 minus 100, 400. Plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. What is the answer? Actually 429. Okay. The next one. Write the following in Roman numerals. 98 again we have to write. How can we write 98? Actually 100 minus 10 plus 8. Okay. What is the value of 100? That is C. Subtracted, no. So we have to use the small number left side of the greater value. That is 100 minus 10. Next we have to add 8. This is X, C, V, I. The next one, 139. 139 means 100 plus 30 plus 9. Okay. How can we write 100? That is C only. Next 30 means we have to use 3x. X. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Next we have to write 9 directly. So C, X, Ix. That is the answer. Next one is 364. Easily we have to write 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 4. Okay. What is the value of 100? Actually C. So C. What is the value of 50? L. Next we have to use 10 no. So X. Next one is 4 directly we have to use. Next 433. So we have to write 500 minus 100 plus 33 no. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3. So 500 minus 100. So first we have to use 500. What is the value of 500? D. Subtract the value no. So we have to write left side of the number. What is the value of 100 actually? C. Next one 10. So X. Finally we have to write 3. Triple I we have to use. That's all.